Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
So what's your name, man? What's in here?
My name is Connor Louvier, and we got two Wolfram Audio Platinums on a Sundown Salt 8K. On my mids and highs, I just have a RP75.4. I just have scores, pros all around in 3.5-inch tweeters in the front. MacMan 350 alternator, all OFC, silver tin wire.
Okay, very nice. Did you build this?
Me and my Marines buddies did, yeah.
Okay. Are you still working on sealing it?
Yes, for sure. I'm still working on sealing it. It's just something to get ready for the show.
Yes, sir. Looks good so far, man.
Thank you.
And you said this is this a what kind of bandpass enclosure?
This is a 6-order.
Okay.
It's actually a 6-order. Bottom tune to 30 hertz, top tune to about 60, so we're about an octave.
Got it. Nice. Looks good.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. And amp is the big amp in the back?
Yes.
I'll see it afterward. Okay. I'd love to see the amps in the back, man.
I'm slightly louder, but not by much.
Nice. So what is this wired to?
One of them.
One of them, okay.
But it's sitting about 0.7 right now.
Awesome.
I'm looking on getting it link on, so.
Okay. How much is this lithium wise? Is it?
This is down for sound. I think they're 6 amp hours a piece.
Okay, got it. So 18 LTO. Awesome. Thank you for the demo.
No problem.
Okay. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Alright, windows down, louder. Probably. Wow, definitely got bandwidth on the low end and the high end. Yeah, I appreciate that. Yeah.
I feel like I'm out of shape. I'm drinking you can't tell me. Pull up in the Porsche, that bitch to a nigga.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.